Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix Roblox kicking you out mobile. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Search for Roblox and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Running an older version can cause compatibility issues and unexpected crashes. Once it's updated, go back and open Settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap Apps, search for Roblox and tap on it. Now tap Storage. Here, tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing loading problems. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Now turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds. Then turn airplane mode off to refresh your network connection. Go back to the storage section. Tap Clear Data. Keep in mind that this will reset the Roblox app, so you'll need to sign into your account again. Now go back and tap Uninstall and confirm. Now open the Google Play Store again. Search for Roblox and install the latest version. Once the installation is complete, open Roblox and sign into your account. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it before launching Roblox, as some VPN connections can cause login or connection issues. Finally, if Roblox is still kicking you out, check whether Roblox servers are experiencing an outage or temporary maintenance. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait until the issue is resolved before playing again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.